we are creating history. I mean, speaking gastronomically, Baja is not just, fish tacos and beer. I mean, we have so much more to offer.
You have some constant ingredients in them. You always have corn, you have tortillas, you have chiles, and a lot of seafood. Also some like Asian flavors, Asian touches. The community that eats in Baja is people from all over the world.
What is interesting to see in the Baja cuisine is just the philosophical approach to it, of great respect for the terroir, great respect for high quality ingredients and seasonality.
Right now, what Baja cuisine really is the ingredient.
So much of it is locally grown, sustainably grown.
Well, whatever you can grow in the Mediterranean, you can grow it here in Baja.
We eat a lot of fish. We eat a lot of street food.
Los mariscos de Baja son especiales por la frescura que hay aquí.
La Baja Cuisine es realmente una mezcla de ingredientes con técnicas mediterráneas. Básicamente usamos todos los ingredientes del mar, como camarón, langosta, y toda la variedad de peces que hay.
A common thread was cooking over wood-burning oven or a grill, an outdoor kitchen, and the idea of bringing ingredients to the point of burnt, but stopping it right when it's perfectly charred, and then utilizing them in salsas and sauces is a brilliant layering of flavor.
All the food here is smoked or grilled, and we don't know anything else. It's like our thing.
The booming of Baja is because of the wine country. The wine was here before the food.
95% of the Mexican wine comes from these valleys.
They have everything. There's no way this state couldn't be great at food, at eating, at cooking. I mean, it was meant for that.
Baja California is special. It's where the desert meets the Pacific Ocean on one side and the Sea of Cortez on the other side. You have mountains, you have farms, you have beaches. There's such a variety of landscape. Some of the best hospitality in all of Mexico. The food is amazing, the chefs are visionary, the winemakers are experimental. It's an amazing place.